Ladies and gentlemen, gather round and see a new offering from Oxidine Marine. You know it's slick, you know it's cool. You get our boats cause you ain't no fool.
Who's got the baddest boat?
Check out our newest offering, the Magnum 44 hull and hardware. That's right, just the hull and hardware. No motors, no ESCs, but you get everything. You get shafts, motor mounting hardware, even a servo, the $100 servo that we include. Everything. We just take the motors and ESCs out of a ready to run. For guys who like to do their own work, voila. This platform is for guys who have their own equipment, guys who like to choose their equipment. Some people don't like their work done by me, and even actually for some guys that don't like me. Whatever that case may be, if you want an ultra thick, high performance, very strong, very fast hull, the Magnum 44 hull and hardware is for you. Ultra cool ball bearing outdrives. Badass servo mount pedestal that actually braces the hull as well. Sliding carbon fiber battery trays. And this customer was ultra cool. He wanted his boat signed, so that's what he's getting. He got his boat signed, 3D'd and frosted. And I even did the lid too. Keep in mind, this hull is twice as thick as any MHZ out there. This hull is triple thick. And we have heavy weave. This thing is carbon fiber on the outsides, and in the middle layer is carbon Kevlar. If you're doing speed runs, this is the way to go. So remember, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and keep enjoying model boats.
Who's got the baddest boats on the scene? It's got you screaming Oxidine Marine. Who's got the strongest boats on the scene? It's got you screaming Oxidine Marine. Who's got the raddest boats on the scene? It's got you screaming Oxidine Marine. Who's got the fastest boats on the scene? It's got you screaming Oxidine Marine. Starting with the carbon fiber Kevlar weave. CNC parts, man, it's built for speed. High flow water systems cool from heat. 100 miles an hour on the water, shit. Animal twin cat RTR. Fastest in the game, it's a superstar. And the Dominator model, man, it's just as hard.